Good morning everyone, today we're going to be looking at another Accurist watch review. Today we're going to look at the Accurist Day-Date 7405 core watch. So let's have a little look at the box here. So Accurist is probably one of my favourite British brands for watches, just because of the importance of the Accurist Grand Complication, which I've done a review on, and just because it's because of where that company is based, and the heritage of it is just important to me in my as a British citizen. So yeah, let's have a look at the box, shall we? So got a little order code here. I mean, feel free to use that if you like. I won't be. So yeah, simple cream coloured outside cover. Inside we've got that sort of burgundy style, reflective style box with a simple lifting lid. So let's have a little look inside. So here we go, guys. This is the Accurist Day-Date 7465 or 05, I'm not too sure, core watch. So let's take this out, have a little look inside. So here we go, guys. Just a little bit about the watch. We've got a 40mm case diameter with 11mm case thickness. Watch itself probably doesn't weigh much under 100 grams. Does feel quite tinny, I will say that. But price of the watch is £45, so you wouldn't expect much different from that. And it operates on a quartz movement, as you can see from those hands ticking round. Let's have a little look with this little bit of plastic off. So looking at the face, we've got a line style ready pink style face with a day and date dial with a 24-hour readout. So we've got obviously we've got a day function on that at 9 PM, 24-hour readout at 3 PM, and at 6 PM we've got that date dial. We can also see the watch is waterproof to 50 meters. And has a mineral glass cover here with a slightly curved effect on it. So having a little look more at the face, we've got fully luminous increments here, fully luminous hands, and luminous sort of ends to those increments here. Other than that, the actual increments themselves are mirror style finish, with that sort of matching the casing. Speaking of the casing itself is a full mirror stainless style finish, flat bezel and casing, same as the crown on the side, small little crown, taking that out, a cheap style crown, moving that back into first position. It's easy to operate though, despite being cheap like that. A nice, a good quality crown to it, despite the price. Looking at the strap, just initially, we've got a sort of fairly sort of cheap style strap, as you can see from this play on this. It does make quite a bit of a tinny sound, but anyway, nonetheless, you've got like an expanding strap style. The strap itself is a 22mm band with a push button deployment case. As you can see from this, sometimes these sort of casings, they have a hidden, not hidden so much, but a fold over safety clasp. This one doesn't, it's just a hidden style system, and this is my much preferred one. But then often you can get the cheaper quality inside components to these, which is this bit here, this very, very matte finish, almost plasticky metal part. So we might as well look at the rest of the clasp over here. So the clasp itself is that Accurist finish there with that full sort of two-tone effect on the strap, with the mirror effect in the middle and the polished out, or the brushed outside effect. Let's have a look at the back plate. So the back plate again is an Accurist style back plate, just with a little bit more information about the watch that we couldn't get from the front. And there you go, you've got a caliber reading for the for your quartz movement, or that could be a like a manager part number. Again, water resistant to 50 meters as well. Let's have a little look with it on. So there we go, guys. That is the Accurist Day-Date 7465 Core 40mm.